Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have my after work cleaning routine and I decided to include the tribe. If you guys are new, I'm sure you remember my daughter Raya. This is the oldest, this is Sophie, and the little one down in front is Rebecca. And since I had work all day and I worked yesterday, the house really got neglected. So I recruited my girls, and it takes a village, and we're all gonna help out mom, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna get this house straightened up because I didn't mess it up myself, and I'm sure not gonna clean it myself. So if you guys are new here, I would love if you would subscribe. We do all types of kind of videos around here. It's a fun place to be. So make sure you subscribe and you hit the notification bell, and do not forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you guys are interested in seeing how teamwork goes ahead and conquers this mess, please stay tuned. All right, ladies, let's go.
Watch me closely now. I'm traveling at the speed of light. from another universe, where the stardust and kryptonite. Don't be afraid, you're alright, alright. You're in a haze, just for the night, for the night. Just for the night, for the night. Just for the night, for the night. Take me away to Raya, Raya, where all the stars are shining bright, like diamonds, like diamonds. Take me away to oblivion, oblivion. Horizon, horizon. Watching you closely now. You're traveling at the speed of light to another universe, where all the stars are shining bright. Don't be afraid, you're alright, alright. You're in a haze, just for the night, for the night. Take me away to Orion, Orion, where all the stars are shining bright, like diamonds, like diamonds. Take me away to oblivion, oblivion. Horizon, horizon. Don't be afraid, alright, alright. You're in a haze, just for the night, just for the night. Just for the night, for the night. Just for the night, for the night. Take me away. Take me away to Orion, Orion. All the stars are shining bright, like diamonds, like diamonds. Take me away to oblivion, oblivion. Horizon, horizon.
Keep on talking to me. Don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving. You can make me lose my breath. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and midnight. Let's leave now and get undressed, undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down. Talking to me, don't you leave me by myself. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance, as we dance. It's you and midnight. You know we could get undressed, undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
out and see your friends. I don't mind waiting half the night of being alone. I'm alright here on my own. But when you come home drunk, well after 4 a.m. and pass out in the hallway without saying hello, my patience starts running low. I wish you spent the night at home. We could party all night. And I've always been in love with you. From now on, I hope you will be true. And I'll be here and ready. My love is standing steady for you. I'm never letting go.
Well, here is the house. You know what, guys, honestly, on the day after working all day, I just straighten it up to where it's not a mess and it doesn't hurt my feelings to see it. And it's not like a deep clean by all means, it's just a straighten up so it's looks nice, I guess. So we got together, we just cleaned up all the blankets and stuff like that. I haven't vacuumed, I just swept because it's just a quick cleaning routine just to get it done. It was a family affair, so you've seen the girls pick up all their bags and stuff. They had went over to my in-laws, so they tend to pack a little bag just to bring all their toys. Picked up all their shoes. We cleaned off the table after dinner, just made everything look presentable. It's going to be nice to wake up to a nice clean table and an empty sink of dishes. Just went ahead and wiped down everything, cleared off the counters. I feel like a clean counter and an empty sink just, I don't know, just sets the mood right. And I don't know, I sleep better knowing that I don't have a mess waiting for me in the morning. Wiped off my stove. That glass cleaner is the best thing I've ever used on my stove. I know you guys have probably seen the clock in the back. It broke, and now that is the 3rd time that it broke. We're just going to need a new stove. I will never, ever, ever buy Kenmore ever again. And you've seen Raya take out the garbage because chores, guys. Here's Raya's room. Say hi, Raya.
Hi.
People probably wonder if you're keeping your room clean, and as you can see, she's doing a pretty good job. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to give them a little bit of a tour? What did you do?
I picked up all my clothes from this week and picked up all the stuff from my school bag.
There you go. How many days left of school?
4.5.
4.5. Here's just the one hallway we have in our house. Swept that up. I just wiped down the counters and just did like a spot check on my bathroom floor and the mirror and stuff like that. I'll mop the floors and everything tomorrow, but today, just the bare bones, guys, just the bare bones. This is kind of like if a visitor pops in, I won't feel like such a scum. The Munchkins did their own room. I helped out just a little bit. Right?
Yeah.
Your room nice and clean?
Yeah.
What did you clean?
We cleaned the bed a little and the floor and like we did a little bit. And I cleaned my bed by myself.
And you swept? She did sweep. Okay. The bed's made, kinda, even though we're getting ready to go to bed. And tell them, how many days left of school, Soph?
4.5.
4.5. 4.5 for both. And Rebecca's.
6 for 2. And then watch JoJo, Eureka.
Alright, so are you guys going to keep your room clean this summer?
I'm going to try to.
Do you guys like helping Mommy when she has work? It's only fair, right?
Yeah.
Gotta help clean up and stuff like that, take care of business. Right? Gotta clean up.
New shoes.
Yeah. Alright. So tell them, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Comment down below who you like better, me. Watching my Thank you
No.
for watching my mom's video.
We like everybody the same. Stop trying to make people choose. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. These kids are crazy. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I want to try to hurry up and edit this to get this up. Rebecca, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. Hopefully this gives you a little glimpse into what my world is like as a working mom. I only work part-time, so it's really, I get really the best of both worlds. I get to be home with my girls as much as possible and, you know, help out a little bit financially. So I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key.